What up, y'all? So back out on the AR9. This is a Palmetto State Armory PX9 that takes 9mm Glock magazines. I've been trying to get this thing to run with the super safety. It has been struggling, to say the least. Initially, when I did my research, swapped out, standard buffer weights to an H3. H3, which is 5.4 ounces. Just really wasn't doing it. I actually got a 6.9 or 6.10, or I don't know what the fucking, it's like 6 point something ounce, 6.8 ounces, I believe. And this did not proceed to make it run any faster. So then I proceeded to go out, buy Sprinko Red Power Springs for 20% more return strength. That didn't fucking work either. So finally did some deep diving, and everything has been pointing me in the direction of getting a 10 ounce buffer. This is from Caw Valley Precision. 10 ounce meant for 9mm in the AR platform. So we're gonna put this fucker in and see if she runs cleaner, better, or at all. Because I'm about fed up with this fucking AR9 trying to make it run an FRT. So all right, Palmetto State Armory, PX9, run a Hoffman Tactical Super Safety. Just got a 10 ounce buffer, so see if she runs. That's better.